Rightio. We got that down in. Now it's time to get these shackles on. So I was gonna, I sandblasted and zinc plated the old bolts and shackles, but yeah, when I did the checks, yeah, they're all flogged out as well, and that there copped a pretty big flogging. So yeah, I decided to just buy brand newies, but they all come pretty black. So here's the ones that I've sandblasted and zinc dipped, and I used a gold Passivate, which I don't generally. I use the well, that one, that's the blue Passivate. I sort of prefer that, but down here I sandblasted the brake plates, the shackle bolt underside plate, and the T for the the brake T for the brake lines, and then I gave them a coat of SW2. So yeah, I think they came up pretty well, but yeah, we'll get cracking and start installing.